Now we're going to prepare the falafel balls and get them ready for frying. I took the mixture out of the refrigerator. I prepared a bowl with a little bit of water on it because during forming the balls, you'll need some water so your hands won't be sticky. I wet my hands a little bit. We're gonna form around 15 balls, falafel balls. As you can see, I'm forming them. I'm just taking a little bit of the mixture, making them nice round circles. If you want to measure it, you can take a tablespoon and measure a tablespoon and then form the balls. If you don't wet your hands, it's going to be much harder to form the little falafel balls. That's why we're using water. But it's not a must. You don't have to do it, but it makes the job easier. I think we're going to have here around 15 falafel balls. It's between 15 to 20 falafel balls from this portion of chickpeas. If you're making sandwiches out of the falafel balls, just have in mind that you're going to use probably between 3 to 4 falafels in each pita bread sandwich, which means that you're going to have here enough for 5 sandwiches.